No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me and start problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me I take your
Hey queens, welcome back to another video on my wonderful channel. So today, as you can see, I'm gonna be installing this hair from HairSpells. The link to this hair will be in the description down below. So yes, this is actually my first time installing a frontal wig, so guys, please bear with me. So I did the ball cap method because I saw like in some other videos that it was helpful to use it when installing a frontal wig. So right now I'm just applying some 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓸 glue or 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓸 glue, however it's pronounced, on the line or like where I want the wig to stop. So now I'm just blow drying the glue to make sure that it's tacky, and I'm gonna be spraying the 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓸 glue freeze blast over it because it just wasn't sticky enough, or it just like I just wanted the extra hold. Now I'm gonna be pulling the frontal wig up to the line that the glue stops at, and this part was actually very hard because it had a few lumps, and I find it like, I don't know, it just had a few lumps in the frontal area, and I actually fixed that later, so please don't come for me in the comments. But right now I'm just sealing the wig down with a rat tail comb. So since I was just focusing on one side, the other side ended up drying up, so I had to reapply the glue and re-blow dry it. As you can see, I kind of had trouble with laying the wig down, but yeah, it was really a struggle for me. It's really a hassle, and I don't know, it just seems like frontal wigs are like harder to install than closure wigs, obviously, because like you have to make sure the lace is perfect. But I ended up you know, pulling through. So after I applied the glue and all of that stuff, here comes the fun part, which was like really getting the curls back. And in the spray bottle, I'm using the Argan Oil Curl Activator mixed with water. If you guys want that, then you can get that at any beauty supply store. I'm really babbling right now. But yeah, I'm just spraying my hair and bringing the curls back. And as you can see, the curls is popping. So HairSpells really did that. They really hooked me up. So yeah, I'm just pulling my fingers through and using a wide tooth comb. I'm really not gonna hold y'all. I struggle doing the baby hairs as well. This whole installment was a struggle. But yeah, I'm now gonna be pulling the baby hairs forward and trimming them, and I'm gonna be laying them down with the mousse. Mousse isn't gonna hold the baby hairs down, But since this is the night before school, I'll just do it for the video and use mousse. But I'll usually use Gorilla Snot or Edge Control. Last but not least, since there were a few flyaways at the top, I'm gonna be setting down like the middle section. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna be using a hot comb to lay it down. Yes, the baddie is finally done, period. Okay, look at that close up. Hold on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe.
Motherfucking astronaut shit. Put a Gatorade on this. White coat, but I beat that.
It's a